Hey, what's up, fellas? Welcome to another PC content day. Another beautiful day, cloudy, a little bit in Nairobi. Having have crossed over a lot of issues as a country, we thank God. I thank God because of the things that I've gone through and the challenges that I've gone through to become the person I am as part of the Wingu Techspot team, giving you cyber services and IT consultation services, of which I discussed last week about the consultation plan that we have started. You guys, if you need a PC or a laptop or desktop, we generally, as IT, call them PCs, that is personal computers, but it's a generic name. So if you need a desktop or a laptop, based on your customization ideas, you can find us, you can call us with the numbers that you have always been describing in our videos, on our posters, on our socials, and reach us, request us what you need. So a number of you guys have been asking us questions in regards to how we operate our services, especially in regards if somebody is far. Don't worry, guys, we have a solution. And I'm sure most of you know if distance is a limit, then there is a plan B, depending on what we are handling. There's service where if maybe you need something and you cannot come to our office physically, so when you call us, we answer and we advise you the appropriate solutions. Wingu Techspot provides you remote PC solutions based on third parties softwares or remote assistance services. An example, you might be having an issue with either opening a document, or maybe you don't have a program to run either Word or Excel or Publisher, or you are trying to open something but you cannot because you don't have a certain program. That's where Wingu Techspot comes in. You don't need to travel all the way from where you are to come to see us physically when we can assist you remotely. This is where programs like TeamViewer or AnyDesk or RustDesk and many other remote assistance softwares come in. The one Windows has inbuilt, but it's a bit complicated setting up. So we usually recommend you guys to set up AnyDesks because it's very fast and easy. You just open up and you give us the ID. There is usually a 10-digit number. For most AnyDesk apps, for most people, sometimes it can be a bit less, but mostly it's usually 10-digit number. So what happens is we initiate a request to you for a short period of time. This is where you can either pay a premium where you get more features in those programs. But for us, we usually tell our clients to get the free version because the free version is limited with a duration. And you find that within that duration, we have already assisted you as much as we can. Where we cannot, we tell you we'll continue another time, or we tell you if it's more complicated, visit us physically. However, doing those remote things doesn't mean we can handle 100% of all your PC essentials. Let's say, for instance, you have to clean dust, you have to upgrade RAM, you have to upgrade SSD, you have to replace keyboard. Those things cannot be done remotely. We can't. It's not online based or software ended. So you need to come to our shop, we see your issue, we recommend. There are those which are very advanced, especially motherboard. There are certain components where we see it's very extreme, we call our partners who indeed help us in solving your motherboard problem, whether it's replacing a motherboard or it's some component that is damaged where Wingu cannot repair it. So we liaise with those partners of ours so that they give you solutions. Then the other thing is Windows installation. We see Windows installation, it's based on physical, and mostly you find that you have to come here to Wingu Techspot office and we install for you. So this is where you guys, you must know the difference between what services we can offer as physical and those you can offer remotely. So if you have questions in regards to that, please ask me down below, or you can WhatsApp me in my number, that is 0707088027. For those who are outside Kenya, add 254. That is our country code. That is Kenya. And guys, let's engage more about in terms of understanding how our computers interact with us. The essence of this is to make you understand is the difference. Because some people have been asking, oh, I don't have, I can't come, I'm very busy. Come on, guys. As long as you have internet, doesn't matter whether you are on which side of the planet on this earth. As long as you have a reliable internet, you share with us your AnyDesk ID and we connect with you for a short period of time. We assist you as best as we can. What we cannot do is the things that involve physical services. Like I mentioned, cleaning dust, upgrading RAM, upgrading storage, or replacing keyboard, or checking the motherboard. Those things require you to come to us physically where we are. So learn the difference, guys. Final thing, guys, there is the issue where I discussed some times ago. It's the Acrobat Pro reader. I'm sure you guys have seen my posters or the posters that I've been posting. I usually post myself, by the way, the posters that you usually see. You find that there is this offer we are giving. So where you need Acrobat Pro for editing documents, putting your signatures. There's so many things that Acrobat Pro does. And of course, the terms and conditions that usually apply in terms of Adobe, licensing and whatever. But we are offering the installation and we give you 2 extra programs of Adobe ecosystem. That is, you can choose either Illustrator or Photoshop, or you can choose Photoshop, InDesign, or you can choose Illustrator, Premiere Pro, whatever. We are installing for you the Adobe Acrobat Pro plus 2 Adobe CC Cloud softwares. Remember, Photoshop, Illustrator, or Illustrator, InDesign, or After Effects and Premiere Pro. Choose what you need in your machine. Don't overwhelm your machine with softwares you don't need. You may choose not to have all of them. It's up to you. You may only need the Acrobat because of editing PDFs and merging, compressing, e-sign, converting the PDFs to Word without having to go online, or merging 2 PDFs. Many of those features that Acrobat does. So we are offering them at Kenya shillings 2,000. So guys, take advantage of that. And it's an offer for this week for Acrobat. Very soon we are going to offer for the fully fledged for the Adobe suite. For those people who need a collection of Adobe suite, whether you need Illustrator, whether you need Photoshop, whether you need After Effects, whether you need Premiere Pro, whether you need all of those, animate all of those, including Acrobat Reader Pro. If you need all of those, guys, we are tailoring it very soon so that you can have all those, and we are going to offer the price for it. Watch out for our offers very soon, but for now, we are only giving the Acrobat with 2 free Adobe CC apps. So take advantage, call us, text us, WhatsApp us. Phone is right here. So whoever reaches first gets the best benefits and Windows optimization. We usually don't just only install programs only. We ask you if your PC is running well on software side. If you feel your machine is maybe slow or something is lagging or you need your Windows updated, we do those kind of things, but we do them under your consent. Some people will want just only the programs and that's it. They go. For the rest of you guys, we usually ask you, do you need? And we don't charge because all of that is covered under that one package. See you guys. Thank you and bye-bye.